Yo, what's going on? Welcome everybody. This is Dan here over at 2D2 Productions. If you guys are watching this video, you are looking at an awesome product that is made by Talosbo. Now, I have what is called the Pleco. This is the S1 Pro Robotics Cordless Swimming Pool Cleaner. Now, one thing that makes this particular pool cleaner unique is its simple, easy design to be a one power button option. Press that button, turns it right on. It's ready to go. Coming in at 6.4 pounds, giving you a 2.2 liter capacity covering 1,076 square feet. In addition to that, it has two powerful motors and it's going to give you a total of 120 minutes of runtime with a 2.5 hour rapid charge. So I'm going to bring in for a closer look so that way you can kind of see exactly what I'm referring to here and how easy this operation is designed to just drop in, plug and play, ready to go. And the swimming pool cleaner, by the way, is designed for flat bottom pools with no slopes. Stay tuned and check this thing out. Now, before we actually drop this in the water, I just kind of wanted to show you guys real quick here the capacity, again, which is 2.2 liters for the basket itself. Now, once it lifts up, we're going to see that we have our motor and pump assembly right here. And this is our sediment filtration catch basket. So this is going to be your actually cleaning tank. And from here, we got two scoops. That's your suction. And again, it's designed for a flat bottom pool. Simple, easy assembly and connectivity. And our charging port is right here on the bottom. This is also rated at IPX8, just so you guys are aware. So we're going to go ahead and turn this thing on and put this thing to action. And then you can really see how well this actually works. So I'm going to give you a quick visual here just so you can see what I'm actually trying to achieve. So here we have a look at the pool. And one thing that most people are challenged with is the sediment, sand, and silt. So this robotic cleaner is 100% cordless and it will capture and drive over all of that to be able to achieve that full cleaning experience. Now, the other thing that I also wanted to mention about this particular pool cleaner is that it is, again, 100% cordless, but it also has low battery poolside recovery. So in the event, once the battery starts getting low, this unit over here is designed to come up to the pool side so that way you can retrieve it for its self-docking. And one nice thing too is it also comes with a retrieval hook. So if you forget about it and happens to be at the bottom of the pool, you can recover it with the hook. So now let's drop this thing in the water and let it fly. Let's go ahead and drop this right here in the water. We are already powered up. And it really is a true power on, charge up, ready to go. Once it's in the water, it's going to start doing its thing. So one thing I also want to show real quick, guys. So if you happen to have steps in your pool that's going down to your flat bottom pool, best way to clean the step to get the sediment off is run this thing right on top of the step because it's going to go forward and backward. So there's the forward. So using the supplied hook here, we're going to go ahead and pull this guy right out of the water. And now we're actually going to take a look and see how much debris we got. So just like I showed from before, we're going to go ahead and unsnap these two sides. Now, this is going to be the real interesting part, is how much sediment, debris do we have in here? How much sediment did we actually capture? Oh man, I was not expecting that. We actually got a lot more than I was anticipating. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's quite a bit of silt in here. I'd say it did a pretty darn good job. That is very appealing, including a new few night crawlers here. So if you're looking for an awesome, easy to use, simple operation pool cleaner, especially the robotic, this is one that I would recommend because it really is designed as charge it, plug and play, power on, drop and go. This is going to be the one right here, guys, because I highly encourage and recommend checking out Talosbo. This is the S1 Pro. It is an awesome product. It is marked at a great price. You get 2 hours of performance with a 2.5-hour rapid charge time, and it's got a self recovery to dock at the side of the pool. And bonus, you get a hook. Try it out for yourself. I guarantee you guys are going to absolutely love it because it does a great job. So with the 2 powerful motors that are in it, so as you saw with the water footage, you get the front and the rear. It's designed to scoot back and forth. Thank you guys all for watching. Check this thing out for yourself. Guarantee you're going to love it.